If you're encountering the Cloud Save Error 2025 in League of Legends, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem efficiently. Step 1. We start the game. Close League of Legends completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary issues with cloud saves. Step 2. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues with cloud saving. Try resetting your router if necessary. Step 3. Update the game. Make sure that your League of Legends client is up to date. Launch the client and allow it to download any available updates, as outdated versions can lead to errors. Step 4. Repair game files. Use the built-in repair tool in the League of Legends client. Go to the settings menu, find the repair option, and follow the prompts to fix any corrupted files that might be causing the error. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the error persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling League of Legends. This can resolve deeper issues that may not be fixed by the previous steps. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Cloud Save Error 2025 and get back to enjoying your game. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to League of Legends support for further assistance.